The number one reason to not mow your lawn shorter. Hi, I'm Jacob, the owner of Scooter's Lawn Care, and my channel helps contractors deliver and clients experience a luxurious everyday life through property transformations. If you like the sound of that, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and let's get into the video. Today we are talking about the number one reason to not cut your lawn shorter. Everybody's always heard it, everybody always wants it. Cut the lawn shorter so we don't have to mow as much, so it cuts down on maintenance. And it's something for contractors, you hear it all the time. And it makes sense, the thought of cut it shorter, I won't have to mow it as much. But the number one reason that you don't want to do that is it causes stress. Cutting grass more than a third of the blade at one time, that's like when it's growing super fast. That's why it really needs to be getting cut more frequently, maybe up to 2 times a week, to keep it where you're not doing more than that, because cutting a lawn short opens it up for all kinds of problems. Number one, like I said, the stress is the biggest thing, but it opens up for all these other things. Fungus, brownout from cutting the lawn too much, weeds, and the list goes on and on. A lawn can get completely destroyed by that. Golf courses need to use much more chemicals than a homeowner residential lawn has to use because of that, the shortcut grass, just to maintain. Because as you cut that grass, it's not just stressing out the grass, it's allowing more sunlight to get down to the ground to make weeds germinate easier. That's why it's harder to keep weeds out of. It's easier to get fungus. The grass becomes susceptible to everything. So if you want a green lawn and you want to make sure it's taken care of well, the most important thing to do is leave that grass tall. Cut it at 3 to 4 inches depending on your grass type. We're here in the Midwest, and that's kind of what I'm speaking on. And the drier and the hotter it gets, cut it higher. Try to be only cutting a little bit off of a time just to keep lawns looking clean, not scalping them down so you don't have to mow them as much, because the list of problems just goes on and on and on. So you want a green lawn, don't stress it out. That's the main issue you can cause from cutting it shorter, and the rule of thumb to go by is never cut more than a third of the blade of grass. Everyone, if you've got any problems with your lawn, if your lawn is getting cut extremely short and you're noticing these things like weeds popping up, leave that in the comments below. Tell me what you did to change things, and make sure you hit that like button. Everyone, thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.